Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First like this video and subscribe to my channel and don't forget the bell button and let's start. With today rapid growth in artificial intelligence, you should know how to use it effectively to make a viral Twitter account or some tips and tricks. Year 2030, 4 billion people will be using ChatGPT, but 99% are stuck in beginner mode. So today I'm giving you some prompt to start using in ChatGPT. Powerful ChatGPT prompts to surpass 99% users. First one, how to get tips and tricks. The prompt, give me 5 tips on a special topic in less words. And the second one, how to make a Twitter thread ideas. Use this prompt like create an engaging and detailed Twitter thread of number of tweets on topic and add relevant examples. The third one, how to summarize or make a summary and the highlights of complex topic. The prompt you need to use, give me summary and then list key highlights in simple language and then paste the text. And the next one, how to make a brainstorm ideas if you're having a blog, website, YouTube channel or anything else, or for posts for social media. Use this prompt like I need to create an assignment for my topic, suggest new ideas of this topic. This is some prompts most of people will be need to use to make some creative topics or ideas to start using it in their daily life. That's the end of text. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for every new about AI and ChatGPT, and see you later. Bye.